In the northwestern part of South Africa, going south from the Kalahari Desert, we reach the dry, rocky landscape of the Karoo. In a local language, Karoo means the place of thirst. Dwarf shrubs and succulents are scattered across the arid land. It seldom rains on the Karoo. And yet the longest river in South Africa flows through the Karoo. From its origin in the Drakensberg Mountains to the east, 1,500 kilometers away, the Orange River runs through the desert at the bottom of steep gorges. As if by miracle, the water seems to spring from the rock.